Good afternoon. I'm at the polytunnel this afternoon down at the allotment and thought I'd give you a very quick update on three things. The strawberries that I planted up a week or so ago, which are just in the polytunnel behind me for a few weeks until the next cold snap goes. Secondly, the overwintering lettuce that has overwintered okay, but whether it will go over this next cold snap that we're supposed to have this weekend, I'm not quite sure. And thirdly, the onion bed that was trampled by foxes. So I'll just swing the camera around and show you those things. So these are the strawberries that were planted up just over a week ago, I think. You may have seen the video. As you can see, they're looking really good. The one in the bottom of the screen on the right here is the one that's got 6 in. All the others have got 5, but as you can see, they have clearly liked being potted up. The new leaves are certainly looking green, and I think we'll have a good crop this year. We'll have to wait and see. If I just move over to here, these are the lettuce that have overwintered. As you can see, they haven't been cropped recently, but I was going to crop them this weekend, but with the cold snap we're supposed to get this weekend, I think I'll leave them a bit, but they'll certainly be being cropped the weekend after next, so maybe in about 10 days time. So really happy with these. They've overwintered well. This is our onion bed, our white onion bed, and as some of you may have seen, when the ground was really frozen, and when the onions were pretty frozen as well, a fox got in here. It's actually netted in completely. A fox got in here and it couldn't get out, and it did eventually get out because it wasn't in here when we came down. But as you can see, quite a lot of these onions, in fact I think all of these onions, have taken a hit, not necessarily from the frost and the freezing ground, but actually from the fact that the fox, when it couldn't get out, trampled on many of these onions. So I'm not quite sure whether they're going to grow or not. Over here you can see 2 onions which have actually heaved out of the ground due to it being pretty frozen. So I'm in 2 minds about whether to leave this bed of onions as it is or whether to replant. I think we'll give it a few more weeks and then see how they're doing. Okay, well that's it for today. I will see you soon, and do subscribe if you're liking what we're putting up. Bye.